What's up, everybody? Today I have this beautiful luxury home located in Conroe with lake access. It's gonna be a 3-bedroom with a game room, 2-story, and it's gonna have luxury finishes all throughout. I'm very excited to show you guys. You're gonna find more information in the description, as well as my contact if you would like to schedule a private tour for this home. Let's begin. Now, you will be in a corner lot, providing you with all this vegetation and space. And this is gonna be your driveway leading up to your 2-car garage, and your exterior is gonna be made out of wood board and brick. Now, you are gonna have some cameras already installed, and this is gonna be your walkway into the front entrance, where you can see you are gonna have this beautiful area here for outdoor activities. And as we step inside, you're gonna find your first piece of this wood that you are gonna find as accents throughout. This beautiful glass doors, you can see, very elegant. And as we step inside, first of all, you step inside and you're immediately in this 2-story high ceilings. Take a look, absolutely beautiful with that electric fireplace and accented wall. And there you can see those cabinets out of wood that I mentioned. But before we get to that, right to the left of the door, we will have our mudroom and garage. This is gonna be your mudroom. And one thing I wanna mention is that this is actually built in. So sometimes when I'm sitting in my mudroom, the bench isn't built in, so it kind of like moves and you have to wiggle around and make it work. This one is actually built in. And above you will have some coat hangers as well as storage space and space in the bottom as well. And of course, access to your 2-car garage. Currently, it is owner occupied. This is why there's a ton of stuff in here. And as we turn around, let's make our way into your living area, where you are gonna have this super tall vaulted ceilings and this beautiful electric fireplace with this stone finish. It's not a real stone, but it does have that finish to it. And of course, you can place your TV there. And from down here, you actually have views upstairs. Now, right next to your beautiful living space, you're gonna have your formal dining here with lots of natural light coming through these picture windows. As you can see, you have 4 there and these bigger ones here viewing your front yard. Through this door, you actually have an outdoor loft area. And once we step out here, you can see it's gonna have this black design right in the front of the house, right next to your front entrance. And you can see, perfect area to relax after a long days of work. And it actually has a step down here towards the corner lot. And if we turn around here, you will have this beautiful light fixture and located right next to your kitchen, which you're gonna have this black island made out of stone with that wood contrasting it. Plenty of a bar stool space there. And if we look above it, you actually have another wood accent with pendant lighting. I absolutely love this color palette. So with the white, the black, and then the brown from the wood. And over here, take a look at these cabinets. Plenty of space there for your pantry. Obviously, you have your fridge and tons of cabinet space. Look how deep these cabinet space go. Plenty of space to fit stuff in there. And your countertops are gonna be made out of that same black stone we found on the island. And here is your microwave right next to your garbage cabinet. There we go. None of these cabinets have handles, giving it that luxury feel. They're actually hidden down here, blending in with that black. And underneath, you are actually gonna have underlighting, adding another accent. In this little area, you have what I would use maybe to put your Christmas tree right next to your stairs leading up to the 2nd floor. Now, your primary bedroom is gonna be located here in the 1st floor, but before we get to that, you are actually gonna have extra storage space here underneath the stairs that you can use for whatever you like. Currently, they're using it as storage space to declutter the house, ready to be sold. You have a thermostat, and then right next to that, you have your half bath. And look how beautiful they designed it. Now, you will see that you have these floating sinks all throughout, which give it a nice touch. Nice mirror, updated lighting, and you actually have some natural light coming in through this window. Super cool half bath there. And then ultimately at the end, you will have your primary suite. And this is gonna be it, guys. Recessed lighting and 2 big picture windows letting in some natural light. And you actually have access to your backyard through the owner's suite. Let's go ahead and take a look. As we step out here, You won't have too big of a yard, which is convenient because it is easy to maintain, and it wraps around the back of the house where you're gonna have a gate there as well as a gate there. And this whole back side of the house is gonna be black wood board, and you can see gutters already included there, as well as a emergency generator with your AC system. You do have a bit of artificial grass on this side, as well as vegetation all across this area. If you have pets, this is super convenient because you have a doggy door already installed there into the owner's suite. They can be in here and they can go ahead and take a look at the backyard whenever they need to go to the restroom. Now for your owner's suite, it's gonna be very spacious. Take a look at the bed, and then you have plenty of room on both sides to add some nightstands. And you are gonna have this beautiful primary bathroom with a all glass walk-in shower with natural light, and your soaking tub right here. For the bottom, you will have this stone tile throughout, and it actually comes up into the walk-in shower where you're gonna have some shelving perfectly demonstrated there for your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, a rainfall shower head there, right next to, again, those floating sinks. And here you actually have dual sinks connected via a large mirror. And at the very end, without a door, so open, is gonna be your closet. Plenty of room here with shelving built in for your shoes, colognes, watches, just like you can see there, any items that you may need. On both sides, you have that shelf, and in the middle, you have these drawers with hanging space, bringing it all together. And to finish it off, you do have your private bathroom here, which actually gives you space to add extra cabinets if needed. And let's take a look at these cabinets here in the floating shelf. Pretty deep cabinets. They are custom made, perfect for storing items to keep your sink clean. That is it pretty much for the floor. I love this area. Just taking a look at this this is what I imagine as my dream home. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. Here we have a closer look at these vaulted ceilings. Just take a look at the craftsmanship that was done to this house. You have a beautiful accented wall here. This is gonna be your second living area, which they are using kind of as a lounge. And if you take a look back here, you do have some more natural light coming in, taking a view at your backyard. And take a look at these lights that are actually installed into the property, kind of like theater lights. Moving along is gonna be your second bedroom. Again, no carpet, and they have it very well decorated. Let's take a look at the ensuite bathroom that comes with this bedroom. Here we have actually not floating shelves, but extra long cabinets. And again, stone countertops, a large mirror, and this beautiful walk-in shower that doesn't come with a door. You just walk in and go ahead and use the shower. It is gonna have a regular shower head as well as a retractable hand shower there. Beautiful bathroom, which is an ensuite, which makes it even better. And let's take a look, last but not least, at this closet space here, which is gonna have hanging space here and shelving down here on this bottom area. Now, as we continue along down this hallway, we are gonna be in this upstairs area that is currently being used as a work from home office. You can see plenty of natural light coming in, cathedral ceilings above, with views to your bottom floor. And up here is where you are gonna find your laundry room with shelving space, hanging space, and at the end, your washer and dryer connections with this very thick shelf. And at the very end, to top it all off, is gonna be your third and final bedroom with a large picture window on this side and a window with screen mirrors here already installed. As you can see, no carpet in any of these. And this one is actually gonna be an ensuite as well with this beautiful design. Again, a bowl sink with these large custom cabinets, floating shelves to add some decoration, as you can see. And in the corner with some natural light, your all glass walk-in shower. This one is gonna have a door with a retractable hand shower and your regular shower head there. Beautiful stone finish all throughout this one. And in the corner, more floating shelves and your smart toilet there. And let's check out the closet space on this one, which is gonna be a walk-in shower with an extension this side to this side with plenty of shelving built in, as you can see here, All right, guys, that is it for the full tour of this amazing property. Only minutes from Lake Conroe, listed for under 600,000, with tons of natural light, a very unique palette that gives it that modern feel. If you would like to schedule a private tour, my information is going to be right here, as well as in the description, where you're going to find more information about the house, community, and amenities offered here in this community. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.